in 3, 2, 1, go!
We'll get things rolling here for qualification match number 11 on the Daly division. Let's get started with some pretty methodical autonomous action here, although not quite following the way Drift wanted it to here on the Red Alliance as they get stuck on an upright charge platform. The Blue Alliance, however, able to get a robot docked and engaged fully there in the autonomous period. They'll pick up 12 points for the Alliance score through that effort and helping bring the total Alliance score up to 36 coming out of that autonomous period. We're now rolling here with drivers at the controls of all of these machines. Looks like we're gonna have all 6 of them moving here in this match. So far, Blue Alliance still has lead. Now they're gonna start working on their first links. Link number 1 on the board there for you. It's that top right node of the Alliance grid. So that cube they just scored was worth 5 points for the cube itself due to a top row score, plus 5 more for the link that they added in there with it. Here comes another cube, and we're just completing all sorts of cube links over here on blue with a score now showing of 76 to the Red Alliance's 23 as time keeps on slipping into the future. 1 minute and 20 left to play here in this one. Our Red Alliance pretty special in this one. 3 nations represented over there on red. We've got the US, Turkey, and the Dominican Republic here helping to put up those 23 points so far. There's the team from Connecticut dropping off that cone on the middle of the left node of the Alliance grid. In comes Istanbul, Turkey's team with a cube they'd like to get rid of. That comes right on the heels of Dominican Republic's team. They're dropping off a 2-point cube on the lower row of that Red Alliance grid. 45 seconds left to play now, and blue opens up a pretty decisive lead. It's over 60 points at this point. Blue now starting to focus on endgame objectives as 2 of those machines start at least gesturing towards the charge platform. One of them climbs up there completely. That's Chicken Bot Pie out of Minnetonka. They're up there fully docked and engaged already. They're gonna let their Alliance partners out of Warroad, Minnesota, Fred, come up on board as well. That'll be a 20-point endgame for that Blue Alliance, and looks like they're already calling it quits for the most part there. Red Alliance trailing by nearly 100. Let's see if they can get at least a robot docked and engaged for 10. And that's gonna be Atos Dios. Not quite engaged, but they were docked at least for a minute. We'll clean up some of the matches. 70 and 3 out of the 4 available rank points there getting scooped up by the Blue Alliance. It's gonna be 2 for winning the match. And then the activation bonus rank point there for the charge station point threshold being reached. We'll be right back with Matt.